Right, I'm away to move my car because it's charging and I can't leave it. Oh, join me on the journey. Hope you're on good money. Hope it's surging. Guy delivering in this weather on his bike. Now I've got to move my car out from the car club space because this wee car here parked in the electric car space. So I need to move it, so I get a ticket. Right, I'm going to do this. Oh, yeah, me. Stop charging. Unlock. Put it up as well. Watch that. Is it going down? Is it frozen? There we go. It's not even down properly. Right, there we go. Oh, should have bought gloves. Just locked itself. Yeah, me. Can't lift it up, it's too heavy. Oh no. Can't get to the back of this. This boot. There we go. Right, shot. Hands are frozen. Oh God. Oh, I can't do it anymore, my hand's too cold. Oh my God. Yeah, me. Oh, just need to move around the corner. Oh, hang on a minute. So I put my phone in my case, but my hands are frozen. Here we go. Okay. These windscreen wipers still. I've just cleared that of snow. Oh, there's a digger. A digger. I mean, not a digger. I don't know what you call it. Snow plough. Oh, what am I doing? I didn't even put the heating on. You could preheat this and I never bothered. Oh, okay. Right, I need this eye. Oh, there we go. Let's get this warm. Soon be warm. Let's go drive. I'm going far. I'm just going to move the car back to it. It should. The windscreen wipers are going mad because they don't really go into the snow. Let's turn them off. See, this is what I've got to do because the car club car parked in the only space that I've been parking. Wow. Glasgow. Glasgow in the snow. I went in the house a few hours ago. There was nothing. Now look. I don't know if you can hear because that fan's blowing away. Let's switch it off a bit. There we go. Shall I go and do some deliveries? I don't think so. Seems to be going okay. Snow anyway, the car. Bang. No, don't say that. It seems to be going pretty well. 4-wheel drive. I don't think this road has been touched around here. We've got to go. Crisp, clean snow. Just stop over here. That's about me home. Right, I'll just. There we go. Right, that's me. I made it in one piece. Subscribe, Marco's Adventures. You never know where I'll be. Bye bye.